Visualizing your ascent. Crafting a mental blueprint for success. Success, that elusive summit we all strive to reach, isn't a destination passively stumbled upon. It's a carefully constructed edifice, built brick by brick with intention, perseverance, and a clear vision. And within that construction, visualization stands as a powerful architect, shaping the very blueprint of our aspirations. Visualization, in its essence, is more than just daydreaming. It's a deliberate and systematic process of creating vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. It's about engaging all your senses to paint a detailed picture of your success, immersing yourself in the feelings, sounds, and even smells associated with achieving your goals. Think of it as a mental rehearsal. Just as athletes visualize their perfect performance before a competition, you can visualize your success before it materializes. This mental practice primes your subconscious mind, aligns your actions, and fuels your motivation. 1. Why visualization works. The science behind the image. The power of visualization lies in its ability to tap into the brain's neuroplasticity. Our brains, remarkably adaptable, don't always distinguish between vividly imagined experiences and real ones. 3. When you visualize success, your brain activates the same neural pathways as if you were actually experiencing it. 4. This creates a powerful feedback loop, reinforcing positive beliefs and driving you towards your goals. Neuroplasticity and neural pathways. When you consistently visualize a desired outcome, you strengthen the neural pathways associated with that outcome. 5. This makes it more likely that you'll act in ways that support your vision. Subconscious programming. Our subconscious mind plays a crucial role in shaping our behaviors and beliefs. 6. Visualization allows you to program your subconscious with positive images of success, overriding limiting beliefs and fostering a sense of possibility. Emotional engagement. By engaging your senses and emotions in the visualization process, you create a stronger connection to your desired outcome. 7. This emotional connection fuels your motivation and drives you to take action. Techniques for powerful visualization. To harness the full potential of visualization, it's essential to employ effective techniques. Here are some key strategies. Define your goals clearly. Before you can visualize success, you need to know what it looks like. Define your goals with specificity, outlining the desired outcome, the timeline, and the key milestones. Create a vivid mental image. Don't just imagine a vague outline. Paint a detailed picture in your mind. What does your success look like? What are you wearing? Where are you? Who are you with? What are you hearing, feeling, and even smelling? Engage all your senses. The more senses you engage, the more immersive your visualization will be. Imagine the sounds of applause, the feel of a handshake, the taste of victory. Visualize the process, not just the outcome. Success is a journey, not just a destination. 8. Visualize the steps you need to take to achieve your goals, including the challenges you might face and how you'll overcome them. Visualize regularly. Consistency is key. Dedicate time each day to visualize your success. Even a few minutes of focused visualization can make a significant difference. Use affirmations. Combine visualization with positive affirmations. 9. As you visualize your success, repeat affirmations that reinforce your belief in your ability to achieve it. Create a vision board. A vision board is a physical representation of your goals. 10. Collect images, quotes, and symbols that represent your desired outcomes and arrange them on a board. This visual reminder will keep your goals top of mind. Meditative visualization. Combine visualization with meditation techniques. 11. Find a calm space, close your eyes, and enter a relaxed state. Then, begin to visualize your success, allowing the images to flow naturally. Journaling your visualization. After a session, write down everything you visualized. The writing process helps to consolidate and reinforce the images in your mind. It also helps you to track your progress and refine your vision. Act as if. Begin to act as if you have already achieved your goals. This alignment between your actions and your vision will accelerate your progress. Overcoming obstacles to visualization. Some people find it challenging to visualize effectively. Here are some common obstacles and how to overcome them. Lack of imagination. If you struggle to create vivid mental images, try using guided visualizations or meditation apps. You can also use pictures and videos to inspire your imagination. Negative self-talk. If you find yourself visualizing failure instead of success, challenge your negative thoughts. Replace them with positive affirmations and focus on your strengths. Distractions. Find a quiet space where you can visualize without distractions. Turn off your phone and minimize interruptions. Patience and practice. Visualization is a skill that takes time to develop. 12. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Be patient and persistent, and you'll gradually improve your ability to visualize effectively. The power of believing. Ultimately, the power of visualization lies in its ability to cultivate a deep sense of belief in your ability to succeed. When you truly believe that you can achieve your goals, you'll be more likely to take the necessary actions and overcome any obstacles that come your way. Visualization is not a magic wand, but it's a powerful tool that can help you create a mental blueprint for success. By consistently visualizing your desired outcomes, you can program your subconscious mind, align your actions, and fuel your motivation. 13. So, close your eyes, engage your senses, and start visualizing your ascent to success.